Constipation isn't just about infrequent bowel movements. It's a sign that your digestive system is out of balance. In Ayurveda, it's often linked to imbalance of Vata dosha and impaired digestive fire, which is called Agni. So rather than relying on temporary fixes, we should try to explore remedies that address the root cause of the problem so that we can restore harmony. Hello and welcome to eBlosis. I am Dr. Vikas Sangotra. In this video, we are going to discuss 7 simple Ayurvedic home remedies for constipation, which can help you find relief and restore balance in your digestive system. So without any further delay, let's help you cure your constipation in minutes. Tip number 1. Warm water with dill seeds and lemon. Kickstart your day with a glass of warm water infused with dill seeds and lemon juice. This combination itself relaxes your digestive system, it stimulates your digestion, it stimulates peristaltic movement and encourages smoother bowel movements. Tip number 2. Raisins, flax seeds and prunes. Combine raisins and ground flax seeds with prunes for a fiber-packed remedy. This mixture lubricates the intestines and promotes regularity. Add them to smoothies, yogurt or oatmeal for tasty treat. Tip number 3 is ghee, clarified butter. Take a teaspoon of ghee before meals. It stimulates digestive enzymes and add moisture to counterattack Vata's dry properties, which is the culprit for drying your stool. Tip number 4, cooked vegetable for fiber. So choose lightly sauté vegetable in ghee or sesame oil instead of a raw salad. This method adds warmth and lubrication and making fiber more effective and easier on your digestive system. Tip number 5, nourishing your navel. Yes, that's true. Applying 2 to 4 drops of a castor or sesame oil to your navel nightly. This practice grounds Vata and supports healthy bowel movements. Tip number 6, warm sesame oil massage. Gently massage your abdomen with warm sesame oil in a clockwise direction. This soothing method balances Vata and stimulates digestion. Sesame oil's bioenergies are warm. They help to combat the cold properties of a Vata dosha. Sesame oil is a nourishing, grounding, so that helps in pacify the vitiated Vata dosha. So this is how it really works in constipation if it is done as a daily night ritual. Tip number 7, aloe vera juice. Drink a small amount of aloe vera juice daily. Its natural laxative properties can help soothe your digestive tract and promote regularities. Tip number 8, cooked apples with cinnamon. That's absolutely right. Enjoy cooked apples sprinkled with cinnamon. This comforting remedy is easy to digest and can stimulate digestion effectively. Constipation doesn't have to control your life. Incorporate these Ayurvedic remedies and lifestyle changes for relief and balance. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share with the friends who could benefit. Have personal remedies or experience to share? Drop them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Till the time, lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.